Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to find all your sent invitations on the LinkedIn app for PC, especially with the new update that has changed where things are located. If you've been looking for a way to keep track of the invitations you've already sent, whether to follow up or maybe even withdraw an old request, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Once the home screen is open, look toward the top menu bar. Here you'll see several different icons, and the one you want to click on is called My Network. This section is where you can manage your connections and discover new people to connect with. After clicking on My Network, you'll notice a button labeled Grow. Go ahead and click on that. This is where LinkedIn now places all your invitations, and it's the key area for managing both the invitations you've received and the ones you've sent out. Now, right next to your list of invitations, you'll see an option called Manage. Click on Manage to open up the detailed view of your invitations. This is where things get more organized. Once you're inside the Manage section, you'll see two main categories: invitations you've received and invitations you've sent. To look specifically at the invitations you've already sent out, just click on the Sent tab. This will show you the full list of connection requests that you've sent to other people. From here, you can review each invitation, check who hasn't responded yet, and if needed, you even have the option to withdraw an invitation. This can be especially useful if too much time has passed, or if you sent a request by mistake. And that's it. Following these steps will make it easy to find and manage all your sent invitations on the LinkedIn app using your PC. With this update, LinkedIn has made things a bit more streamlined. But once you know where everything is, it becomes second nature. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a try right now on your own LinkedIn profile.